Hello, everyone, and as you can clearly see here, I'm at my old studio again. I'm back in the United States now, so this is my old decks and the old country and stuff. Unfortunately, I won't be able to carry this decks with me to the other country that I was in with the last Sketchbook Tour video. I won't be able to carry this decks with me, so while I was down there, I was actually able to do more drawings because there was actual like table where I can just draw on and stuff. So I was drawing every single day while I was down there in that other country and stuff. At least in the United States territory, it is. Yeah. Uh, you can see here, there's more drawings I did. I guys will show you guys right now. And as you can see here, this is a drawing of the alien character from Alien Defender. I forgot what his name was again. Because I haven't really drawn the Alien Defender comic in a while. I don't think I've named these characters yet. I know it's an alien character, so I don't really name all the characters I draw, but I usually evolve them in a story, then I name them. Yeah. Here's the fat chubby dragon character from the last video and stuff. Yeah, fat chubby dragon. Here's a bear character, a grizzly bear, or it's a black bear, since the long legs and stuff. It's a bear character, because I want to draw bears. Here's this is not I don't think this is Eagle Wing from my where I used to do animations on my old channel. I used to have this character called Eagle Wing that will join like I think no, Eagle Wing's the other character. I think this is Eagle Wing. Another one is yeah, I've drawn so many characters that I usually don't keep track of all their names and stuff. I don't know, this one's Eagle Wing. Or at least the other one's Eagle Aircraft, I think. Or at least, like, yeah. Yeah, he's supposed to be like an angel character that has one wing. He's called Eagle Wing and stuff. He's supposed to join the other superhero character. He's Jetman, I think. Jetman or Eagle Wing, I think. Yeah. I confuse their names a little bit. Yeah. Here's a Kaiju character with a shell. Kaiju turtle character. The shell on his back and stuff. I tried to design the shell as much as possible so it'll to like stick out more. Here's a Angel Bee character. I guess you can say this is Abby from Karate Bugs growing up as she takes the hierarchy as the queen of bees and stuff. Queen Bee. This is Abby when she's older. She joins the ranks and stuff from her mother from like episode 4 Karate Bugs. Here's a lady character with bikini, cute bikinis look and stuff. Yeah, I enjoy that as well. Here is Luna the vampire bat. I like to draw a lot. Luna the vampire bat. I guess she's posting to take a photo. I guess she's trying to call a model or something. Here's the robot characters from the Sketchbook Discovery comic. At least my new one. I have in this sketchbook right here. Here's my drawing stuff. My drawing tablet right here. This sketchbook right here. I drew them in the comic. Maybe I should do a read through of that. Leave in the comments if you guys want to see a read through of the comic that I haven't finished yet here. I think it's Sketchbook Discovery 5. I think Sketchbook Discovery 5. Yeah, that's what it is. And these robots are going to be the two main characters of it. These robot characters. Here's a dragon character, because I love drawing dragons. Kind of looks like Drake the Dragon. There's spikes on his back. I usually try to add spikes to reptiles, the scales to them, so people get more design feeling with them. Yeah, it looks cooler that way. And we can't go without kaijus without Godzilla himself. I guess this is a Godzilla-like kaiju character right here. Godzilla is such a cool character too. Cool concept too. Well, the radioactive, the atomic bombs blew up Japan. They disturbed like a wild animal that is a lizard, and it attacks Tokyo and stuff. And it appears that Godzilla got mutated by the atomic bombs and stuff. Yeah, at least they made a cool movie about it, despite becoming a disaster. Even though the atomic bombs were kind of like forced a little bit, at least they made a cool movie about it. So yeah, I guess it was the only way to end World War II that way. So I'm not sure. Here's a cow girl or a cow lady, and she's in this montage falling in love with her. It's gonna give her flowers and stuff. You have this cow lady or farm girl cow lady. Here's an elf lady playing with her tablet. This elf lady with her hair between her covering her face and eyes and stuff. I was trying to draw more characters like this, but I'm usually not really good with the hair, drawing different hairstyles and stuff. Because this looks too much like Sarah, Padre Palmer's wife, a little bit, just the elf version of it. Because I usually like drawing hairstyles this way for some reason. I don't know why I like doing that. So here's Wapter, not Wapter, Jack the Jackalope. Yeah, Jackalope from Werewolf. Yeah, I haven't read the Werewolf comics in a while since they're mostly on DeviantArt. You guys can check it out, my Werewolf comic. Because I did originally draw the Werewolf comic in a notebook, but the notebook was getting too old and the pages were getting soft, so it was getting kind of hard to draw on them. So I had to throw it away. That's why I don't remember the name of the title this character is from. He's from Werewolf. Yeah, now I remember now. I had to throw that book away because the pages was getting too soft, so I couldn't really draw on it while the page is tearing. So I had to throw it away. At least I got most of the Werewolf comics at least on DeviantArt that way, so you guys can check it out. Here's I guess it says Eagle Aircraft. I think the other one's Eagle Wing and this one's Eagle Aircraft. I think. I gotta go check my YouTube again. I think this one's Eagle Aircraft, the superhero. Eagle Wing usually joins up with him because in later comic and stuff. Yeah, Eagle Aircraft. Here's I guess you say this is a Fakimon character that I tried to draw. If I ever decide what type of this character is, it'd probably be like Dragon and Fairy type. Pokemon. They need to make more Dragon Fairy Pokemon. Because the only Pokemon I can think of that's Dragon Fairy is Mega Altaria from Pokemon Ruby and Sapphire, the remakes. Or Alpha Ruby and Mega Sapphire, those remakes, yeah. And Mega Altaria was the only Dragon Fairy types I can think of. They need to make more of them. Here's Sarah, Pat Homer's wife, who's a wrestler too. Pat Homer's wife. Here's an old man turtle character. I drew with the beard and everything. He's bald and stuff. Old man turtle character. Here is Brutus. Brutus from Karate Bugs. I used to draw a lot of Karate Bugs. That's why I remember the name so much. I instantly remember the name because I usually draw. Usually when I have like a comic or character that I didn't draw in a while, I usually forget their names because I come with so much names for the characters. I have like 100 characters in the sketchbook alone. Yep. I have like tons of characters that I draw. That's why I usually don't remember all their names and stuff. Here's Figgy the squirrel and she's shy and stuff. Here's an elephant, a tiny elephant character. It's like a tiny, like instead of large elephant, it's a tiny elephant, kind of like Fanfi Pokemon. Here's the ghost lady, kind ghost lady. You don't have to chop her, Danny. Danny Phantom. Usually chops ghosts when his I haven't watched the show in a while, but I know Danny Phantom chops the ghosts and it's like because his parents are like ghost hunters, so he chops them in his capsule, I think. Yeah. I guess he decided to chop her because she's kind. He's a shy character. I tried to draw like an angle and I kind of messed up a little bit. Shy character. Here's Pat the Pummler. He's a wrestler character that I like to draw a lot. I did Pat the Pummler segments, at least on my last YouTube channel. Yeah. I'll go a little bit back to show you his wife right here. They're both wrestlers. Pat the Pummler and his wife Sarah, both wrestlers. And here is Drake the Dragon, Mindy, and Speedy from the Fighters Dragon comic. I think I did a review of it. I'm not sure if I did, but I think I did a review of the Flightless Dragon comic. Either I did or didn't. I'm not sure. I gotta go check my playlist again and see if I can find it. And yep, that's the end of my sketchbook. As you can see here, I finally finished my sketchbook for like, I think it took like a couple of months to finish. Cause I usually draw every single day, and there's usually like a new character that I usually draw. And I gotta make this present, but I usually don't remember all the character names because I have so many characters. And this is a 100 page sketchbook too, so I'll draw a new character from each one of them. Well, it's not a new character every time, but most of the time it's a new character. I usually don't remember all the characters' names because there's at least hundreds of them. I think there's hundreds of characters that I drew over the years. Yeah. And that's my Pocket Sketchbook Tour video, part 7. And like, comment, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and that's it.